Welcome to the Legacy Leadership Learning Group, where you'll learn to live as a leader worth following, how to lead others to do the same, and in doing so, leave a legacy for generations. My name is Devon Watts, and I'm the co-host of the Legacy and Leadership podcast, and on this week's Gold Rush, we're talking mindfulness. One of the joys of mindfulness is that you can do it anywhere. You don't need to sit in silence for hours, chant mantras, or even close your eyes. Mindfulness means bringing your complete attention to the present, where you are right now, not distracted by memories of the past or anxieties about the future. Again, right here and right now. Here are some great mindfulness hacks that you can use to stay grounded and present no matter what time of day or where you are. The first, breathe. You can use the 3 breaths technique to anchor your awareness firmly in the present. It's so easy that you can do it right now as you're watching this. Simply bring your attention to your breath, breathe in slowly and gently, following the path of your breath with your mind. Feel it deep in your belly. Then breathe out slowly and gently, again paying attention to the movement of your breath. Can you feel a subtle energy shift? A calm peacefulness? This is how mindfulness feels. You can do this anywhere at any time and no one will know that you're practicing mindfulness. Number 2, check in with your senses. If you're finding it a little tricky to access your inner peace or you find your mind is distracted, try the 5 senses check-in. Make a conscious decision to disconnect from distractions and focus your awareness on what you can see, feel, hear, smell, and taste. This simple exercise will ground you in the present moment anytime you feel stressed or harried. Number 3, seize opportunities. Take every opportunity that comes your way to practice mindfulness. It's especially good to use at times where you might feel frustrated and impatient, like waiting in line or while you're stuck in traffic. Put a half smile on your face and watch your breath. Let the breath breathe you. Don't try to control it. In no time, you'll feel your frustration start to melt away. And the last tip is to use mindfulness to create space. No matter how busy you are, you can use mindfulness as a stealth tactic to build some more space into your day. Before you send an email, take time to breathe and notice your breath. Then read the email again and decide if you want to send it. As you're walking along, look up and really notice the sky, the leaves on the trees. Are flowers budding or blooming? Smile at other passersby and notice their reactions. Choose to ignore or switch off all of your devices for a while. Instead of jumping in with a reactive response, just sit back and really listen. Give the other person your full attention and respect. You'll have a more meaningful and productive conversation. And so there you have it, legacy leaders. 4 hacks to achieving mindfulness. Hopefully your mining pans are chock full of golden nuggets from this week's Gold Rush. And if one of those tips resonated with you, don't be afraid to share the wealth by sharing this video. Oh, and another thing, don't forget to subscribe to the Legacy and Leadership podcast. With new episodes every Wednesday on YouTube and all major podcast platforms, you're guaranteed to learn how to live, lead, and leave as a leader worth following. So until next time, God bless and stay encouraged.